Listen carefully.
Right now I ask you to make a choice.
Do you take the red pill and enter the realm of digital marketing? Or do you take a blue one and remain in illusion together with traditional, less efficient methods of promotion and communications?
I want to show you the right way. I'll give you all do's and all don'ts. No boring or unnecessary stuff. Only things that are truly important. There are 50 hours long digital marketing courses, 75 hours long digital marketing courses, and even 100 long digital marketing courses. Honestly, who has time for that? And even if you watch it all, what will you remember? It's pointless. I give you the essence. For you to focus on the most important aspects of digital marketing and advertising. For you to generate more revenue and reduce costs. For you to understand how to conduct business in a digital world. This is a condensed, fast-paced course. No time to stop. Learn a lot and learn it quickly and efficiently. What will be covered? Master all of that within 5 hours. This is my unique proposition, and that's 12 different segments. And you will know how to squeeze the most out of each and every one of them. I strongly advise you to take the red pill. Wake up and grow your business. Enroll in this course. See you inside.